KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a windy and warm start to the weekend. A few showers during the day tomorrow. Better rain chances tomorrow night, but we're not looking at any severe weather threat by any stretch of the imagination, so that is the good news. And as we head into Sunday, maybe a few more showers. Still going to have plenty of clouds and temperatures back to spring-like levels. Got up to 75 today and will be warmer this weekend. So here's the big picture across the lower 48, and we've been saying it all week long. Storm system on the West Coast. Here is another one producing rain and snow. This one's a kicker and moving off to the east. Main storm system that we're going to be dealing with is now in the Rockies. That's producing heavy snow in the Colorado Rockies up through Wyoming and then up across the northern high plains and the northern Midwest, we'll say, where they expect in spots maybe up to a foot of snow. And farther to the south, it's going to be rain and storms with a frontal boundary. Locally, we did have spotty showers across the area that kind of marred some of the evening activities, wet the roadways, but that has since gone by the wayside, and we might see a misty sprinkle overnight tonight, but we'll be watching all the storminess that going into this weekend manifesting off to the north. It's going to be developing in Texas later on tonight. These showers in West Texas will develop into thunderstorms as we get closer to daybreak, where there is a severe weather risk. And then watch the storms marching across Texas, eastern Oklahoma, and then into Arkansas, and the possibility of damaging winds there. Locally here, we're just going to see mostly cloudy skies, maybe a few intervals of sun. It's going to be a windy day, and notice those storms really cooking just near the Shreveport area from the Arklatex on northeastward, and then pushing east, where there could be several tornadoes up through Mississippi, perhaps, and into Tennessee. Meanwhile, locally for us, we're just seeing scattered showers developing as we head into tomorrow night, with temperatures holding in the upper 60s to lower 70s. The front tries to make it through but gets hung up across the area, so we stay mild on Sunday with a shower staying in the forecast, and a little change as we go into Monday as well. Perhaps even a slightly better chance of showers mainly along and north of the front. And on Monday, we could be a little bit cooler, but then this front moves back to the north as we head into Tuesday. Quick look at the European model. We warm up. We should be rain-free or at least relatively quiet for Tuesday. I think temperatures get into the upper 70s, and then the next weather maker and severe weather maker to our north, more than likely, will be moving into the region Wednesday into Thursday, where we could pick up several inches of rain, and we're not out of the mix for the possibility of severe weather. Then cooler air coming in. Not too early to look ahead to next weekend as well, and it looks like, how about this, maybe mostly sunny skies Saturday and mostly sunny skies for Sunday. Temperatures, though, topping out in the upper 50s to near 60, so next weekend is going to be a much cooler weekend. As for the severe weather threat, this is overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. A slight risk northeastern Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, and then that severe weather risk shifts off to the north and east. And notice we're even out of the marginal risk category, so that is good news. And then you get up toward Memphis and portions of Mississippi, an enhanced risk of storms that are going to produce damaging winds and maybe a few strong long track tornadoes. And it is that time of year, going back to the storms we had last week that did damage. This is some tornado climatology for March. This is the zone. You get into Dixie Alley and then a little bit back toward Tornado Alley, and then you get into April and there's a little bit more action back to the north and west. And notice we're in yellow for both months as we go back into March, and then we'll show you April again. But we can see tornadoes around here just about at any time of the year, so we're in a possible risk just about year-round across Acadiana and southern Louisiana. Tomorrow, the big story, you'll notice lots of cloud cover. Those clouds are going to be cooking, moving at about 50 miles an hour at the surface. We'll be doing 15 to 25-mile-an-hour winds with gusts to about 30. So temperatures nearly steady tonight. Few sprinkles out there, a patchy mist. We'll keep rain chance 20% or less. The same tomorrow, maybe a few passing showers. No severe weather to worry about. It's going to be windy, and it will be a little bit warmer, 78 the high. There's your rain chances. I'm going 60% tomorrow night. That may be a little heavy on the rain chances, and 40% blanketed for Monday and Tuesday a break, and then we see that increased rain chance Wednesday, Thursday, and then hopefully a drier and cooler weekend for next week, and more importantly, a couple of back-to-back days of sunshine.
What's that?
Back-to-back days of sunshine and on a weekend. That we have not seen, and I don't know how long?
It's been a long time.
It probably goes back to 2018.
All right. Well, hopefully, yeah, probably does. I think so.
Right.
Thanks, Rob.